from an investing standpoint, the things that we look for are, one, is there a real problem that you're trying to solve out there? Is it a large enough problem, or is this an imaginary problem that you have? Is there a problem that you are trying to solve? Second, is somebody willing to pay for that? There might be a problem, but as Bharat had pointed out, there might not be anybody out there who's willing to pay for it, in which case, I think that's a serious constraint. And the third part of that is, do you have a team, whether it's you or whether the team is there with you today, or you have the ability to bring on a team which will likely require people with competing, with different skill sets than what you might just have, because it's unlikely that there will be one individual who will have that entire skill set which are needed, and it's also not likely that there will be that entire team which will be available or will be there on day one. But do you have that passion, that enthusiasm that will be needed to bring that team around, which can then deliver on that, which can then help and build on that problem that you're trying to solve, and build out a solution which people are really willing to pay for that. So I think those are the things that people, at least on the venture capital side, are trying to evaluate. Now, there's no science about it. It's not a maths equation that can be solved and you can say that X has the answer and Y doesn't have the answer. It's obviously a gut judgment that you would do, and especially the earlier stage of that is the more it becomes more instinctive. But clearly the things which dominate are, is there a market opportunity that somebody is going after which is a real market opportunity, and real being large enough and somebody actually being willing to pay for it, and is there a team around here which can go ahead and execute on that idea?